Turn on the switch button. Select Russian current. Set the frequency to 2500 Hz. Burst 50 Hz. Hold time 10 second. Off time 10 second. Ramp rise and ramp fall 3 second. Channel is going to be set to single since we are stimulating or strengthening a small area. Mode is CC, that is constant current, and duration is 15 minutes. Only channel 1 is going to be used. Apply gel over the electrode pads and spread it evenly. Secure the electrodes over the motor points of the targeted muscle belly. The first electrode is placed over the motor point of the FDS, that is the flexor digitorum superficialis. And then the other electrode is going to be placed over the pronator muscle, that is near the elbow joint. You can consider a case wherein the flexor digitorum superficialis and the pronator tendon is being transferred to the extensor muscles of the ring finger and the little finger. So post surgery, the Russian current, which is the medium frequency current, is used to strengthen these muscles. Step by step guide of this video is provided in the description box.